How to make a Google form that does not require sign in to fill. So here is a step-by-step guide to make a Google form that anyone can fill out without signing into a Google account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is go to the https://forms.google.com, basically open the Google Forms and log into your Google account. Now, once you're inside the Google Forms, all you have to do is click on the blank form or choose a template. So here I'm simply choosing a template that I edited previously. So now, once I tap on it, if you chose the blank one, then add your questions, titles, and descriptions. Then simply tap on the settings option available at the top tab of the form. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on the responses option available there. Inside responses, you will get to see require sign in option available. Make sure the switch is toggled off. If the switch is toggled on, then make sure it is toggled off. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.